Imagine standing at the base of a towering mountain, its peak shrouded in clouds, glinting with the promise of freedom, security, and endless possibilities. For many, that mountain is the elusive $100,000 savings mark. It's more than just a number. It's a symbol of financial independence, a milestone that opens doors and quiets the constant worry about what if. But here's the truth. Most people never make it to that summit. Life's expenses, unexpected setbacks, and the daily grind can make the climb feel impossible. Yet every journey to the top begins with a single step and a roadmap. Today, we're not just talking about money. We're talking about breaking barriers, rewriting your financial story, and proving to yourself that you can reach the heights others only dream about. Ready to see how you can become part of the $100K Club? Let's get started. Did you know that only 13% of Americans have more than $100,000 in savings? And I'm betting you want to be one of them. Welcome to Money Talks with Adia, where today we're breaking down exactly how you can join the six-figure savings club without winning the lottery or discovering a long-lost rich uncle. But first, let's address the elephants in the room. Yes, plural, because there's more than one reason you might be stuck in financial limbo. Elephant number one, I don't make enough money. Let me stop you right there. While income matters, I know people making six figures who are broke and folks making $50,000 who are building wealth. The difference? Strategy, not salary. Elephant number two, the someday syndrome. I'll start investing someday. I'll budget next month. Spoiler alert, someday isn't a day of the week and your future self is currently giving you major side-eye. Elephant number three, the complexity myth. The financial industry loves making this stuff seem more complicated than quantum physics. Why? Because confusion sells products. But building wealth isn't rocket science. It's rocket fuel for your life, and the formula is simpler than you think. But the biggest barrier standing between you and $100,000? It's the belief that it's not possible for you. And that, my friend, is financial self-sabotage at its finest. Ready to prove yourself wrong in the best possible way? Let's do this. Welcome to the no-nonsense, actually works in real life $100,000 strategy. Consider this your financial GPS. I'll give you the destination and the turn-by-turn directions. You can't build your financial house on quicksand, people. First order of business, stopping the financial hemorrhaging. Calculate your financial runway. How long could you survive if your income stopped tomorrow? If the answer is until next Thursday, we have work to do. Step one is building your emergency fund. Aim for $2,000 first, then work up to 3 months of expenses. This isn't just about safety. It's about creating the mental freedom to make better financial decisions when you're not constantly in panic mode. Next, tackle high-interest debt like it's trying to steal your future, because it literally is. Credit card debt at 20% plus interest? That's like trying to fill a bathtub while a family of raccoons is pulling the drain plug. Madness. But here's the dirty little secret the credit card companies don't want you to know. You can negotiate those rates down. One phone call could save you thousands. You're welcome. Now that we've stopped the bleeding, let's talk about how to start the earning. Stick around for the next 60 seconds, and I'll show you how to potentially double your income without working double the hours. Listen up, because this is where most financial advice falls tragically short. Cutting lattes won't make you rich, people. While budgeting matters, you can't save your way to wealth if your income is stagnant. The brutal truth? The fastest way to $100,000 is to make more money. Here's your three-pronged income attack plan. Get that raise you deserve. The average pay increase from switching jobs is 14.8%, compared to just 5.8% for internal promotions. Job hopping isn't disloyal, it's smart money math. And please max out your employer match on retirement contributions. Not doing this is like setting fire to free money while dancing around the flames singing, "I hate being wealthy." Not all side hustles are created equal. Skip the trade time for money gigs and focus on building assets that can generate income while you sleep. Digital products, content creation, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, pick one and go deep. Instead of becoming the world's best at one thing, which is nearly impossible, become very good at a unique combination of 2 or 3 marketable skills. My personal formula? Technical knowledge plus communication skills plus creativity equals income superpower. Now that your income is climbing faster than your neighbor's nosy cat up a tree, let's talk about making that money multiply. The next strategy is how the wealthy stay wealthy even when they're on vacation. This is where the magic happens. Your first $100,000 isn't just about saving, it's about strategically investing in stocks, real estate, and diversifying your portfolio to grow your wealth. What if I told you the biggest obstacle to your 100K isn't the market, the economy, or even your income? It's actually the 6 inches between your ears. Here's the 100K strategy element nobody talks about: strategic patience combined with concentrated effort. Most people either try everything at once and burn out, or take it so slow they never see meaningful results. The secret? 90-day financial sprints focused on just one aspect of your financial life. That's really it. For 90 days, obsess over optimizing one area. First sprint, slashing expenses and building your starter emergency fund. Second sprint, maximizing income through raises, side hustles, or skill building. Third sprint, optimizing your investment strategy. Fourth sprint, automating your financial life. This focused approach creates momentum that snowballs faster than you can imagine. By the end of 1 year, you've completely transformed your financial trajectory. But here's the real secret sauce: the multiplier effect. Once you reach about 25K in investments, you'll start seeing days where your money makes more money than you do at your job. That's when the game changes completely. When I hit 50K in investments, I calculated that my money was working the equivalent of a part-time minimum wage job for me. By 100K, my money was earning close to $1,000 a month without me lifting a finger. That's a psychological turning point that transforms your entire relationship with money. Now that you know the exact strategy to reach 100K, let me answer the question I know is burning in your mind. How long will this actually take? Let's get real about timelines. If you can save or invest $500 a month with an 8% return, it'll take about 10 years. If you can save or invest $1,000 a month at that same return, you'll get there in 6 years. And if you can save or invest $2,000 a month, you're looking at just about 3.5 years. But here's where most people get it wrong. They focus only on the saving part, not the income growth part. If you start at $500 a month but increase your contributions by $100 every 6 months, you'll hit 100K in under 5 years. This isn't about deprivation. It's about strategically allocating your growing resources. And remember, your first 100K is your hardest 100K. The second one comes faster, and the third one even faster still. Your first 100K isn't just about the money. It's about proving to yourself what's possible. It's about building the financial muscles and habits that will serve you for decades to come. The path to 100K isn't complicated. Stop the financial bleeding, accelerate your income, deploy the wealth multiplier strategy, master your money mindset, and use the secret accelerator of focused financial sprints. Whether it takes you 2 years or 10 years isn't the point. What matters is that you're moving deliberately toward financial strength rather than drifting toward financial fragility. Remember, in a world where most people can't handle a $400 emergency, having $100,000 isn't just nice. It's revolutionary. It's not about keeping up with the Joneses. It's about leaving the Joneses in your financial dust. Now it's your turn. This is Adia from Money Talks, reminding you that your financial future is too important to leave to chance. Same time next week for another dose of financial real talk. Peace out, moneymakers. In this chapter, we will discuss realistic strategies that have been proven to work. These include diversifying income streams, investing in index funds, and leveraging technology to automate savings and investments. Each strategy will be broken down into actionable steps that you can start implementing today. Diversifying your income streams is a game changer. Don't rely on just one source of income. Explore side hustles, freelance work, or even passive income opportunities. This not only increases your earning potential, but also adds a layer of financial security. Next, investing in index funds is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to grow your wealth. Index funds offer low fees and broad market exposure, making them a great choice for both beginners and seasoned investors. Start by setting up a brokerage account and automate your investments to ensure consistency. Lastly, leverage technology to automate your savings and investments. Apps and online tools can help you set up automatic transfers to your savings account, invest spare change, and track your spending. Automation takes the guesswork out of saving and investing, making it easier to stay on track with your financial goals. Implementing these strategies doesn't require a financial background or a lot of money to get started. Take the first step today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can build momentum on your journey to financial freedom. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial success. Continuing from the previous chapter, we will delve deeper into specific tactics such as setting up a side hustle, optimizing your tax strategy, and continuously educating yourself on financial literacy. These tactics are designed to help you accelerate your journey towards the $100K milestone. First, setting up a side hustle can significantly boost your income. Whether it's freelancing, starting an online store, or offering a service in your community, a side hustle not only increases your earning potential, but also diversifies your income streams, reducing financial risk. Next, optimizing your tax strategy is crucial for maximizing your take-home pay. Take advantage of tax deductions, credits, and retirement account contributions. Consulting a tax professional can provide personalized advice tailored to your financial situation, ensuring you keep more of what you earn. Lastly, continuously educating yourself on financial literacy is a game changer. Knowledge is power, and staying informed about personal finance trends, investment opportunities, and money management techniques will empower you to make smarter financial decisions. Utilize online courses, books, and financial news to stay ahead of the curve. By implementing these advanced tactics, you're not just working harder, but also working smarter towards achieving your $100K milestone. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to financial success.